Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Investigation is going to get over. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow will get over. Thereafter only the investigating officer was left. Now they have given this charge sheet where there are 10 more additional witnesses. So I have told the court, I am ready to cross-examine all these 10 witnesses in 2 days. We have no problem. Let the investigating officer step into the box. The investigating officer is frightened because of the illegal investigation done by her in this case. We are objecting vehemently to this. One reason is that they are trying to fill in lacuna. Second reason is that the investigation, further investigation without the permission of the court is illegal. And third is that 2-3 grounds what I put there. So, but though we have put these grounds, I have told the court I do not want to drag this matter on these technicalities. Let the witnesses be examined if they want to. We are ready to face. But we want the trial to get over as soon as possible.